Hi kids, today we are learning about shapes. Circle, I'm shaped like round and smooth like a yummy cookie. Square, I'm shaped like four equal sides like a little box full of surprises. Triangle, I'm shaped like three sides sharp and neat like a slice of pizza. Oval, I'm shaped like a stretched circle like a big shiny egg. Heart, I'm shaped like love, full of love and fun. Star, I'm shaped like 5 points shining bright in the sky. Pentagon, I'm shaped like 5 sides, like a little house with 5 sides. Semicircle, I'm shaped like half of a circle, like a smile that's always happy. Hexagon, I'm shaped like 6 sides, like a honeycomb with 6 sides. Cloud, I'm shaped like soft and puffy in the sky, like soft and fluffy in the sky. Diamond, I'm shaped like 4 sides shining bright, like sparkling just like a treasure. Cross, I'm shaped like 2 lines crossing each other, like a plus sign in a game of fun. Trapezium, I'm shaped like 1 pair of sides that are parallel, like a little roof on a cozy house. Prizes! Thank you for watching Tiny Tales.